Hola! We're going to do our Spanish test. So this is the way I want you to do your Spanish test. You're going to record yourself, and you're going to need your cards, or you can sing the song that we learned in class, which is called La Familia. If you sing the entire song, you'll get credit for taking the test. Alright? But if you just want to do this, you can do this as well. Alright, so this is the way I want you to do it. I want you to mix up your cards, and then you're going to just start with the first card, show it to Mrs. Coriano, and then say, el padre, el papá, el hermano, la hermana, el bebé, la madre, la mamá. Alright, make sure you record yourself on Seesaw, and then I'll just watch it, and hopefully you get them all right. Nice job. Adios.